everybody, my name is Dr. David Garcia. I'm an associate professor at the University of Arizona in the College of Public Health. So I lead the Zuckerman Family Center for Prevention and Health Promotion. Sounds very fancy, but really I help the community through outreach, education, and really getting into the community to help support healthy lifestyles. I also direct the Nosotros, Comprometidos, Su Salud, so we are committed to your health. And through that program, I take some of my, as I call it, toys, specifically a thing called the FibroScan, into the community to help people identify basically if they have liver fat or liver stiffness. What this means to you, basically, it is liver disease, and it's highly prevalent, particularly in Mexican origin communities. More recently, I become Associate Director of Research for the Andrew Weil Center for Integrative Medicine. In this role, I help connect public health to integrative medicine. We know that there's different intersections, particularly as it relates to health and wellness, physical health, mental health, spirituality, and so forth. We don't often lead with that. We want to make sure that you are well-rounded individuals and healthy in all aspects of life. So without a doubt, what I enjoy the most is helping people just like you. I was a kid who grew up, without much, but really, through the support of my family and others, I've risen to the place where I am now. I'm a dad, I'm a father, I'm a husband, but most importantly, I'm in a place to actually help bring you up. So what I like most about my job is really putting people such as yourselves in spaces to succeed, putting you in positions to do research or help the community, help you understand that you could be where I'm at too, and help support individuals throughout the community. So related to career skills that I basically live by, first of all, it's teamwork or collaboration. I reference all these fancy titles and so forth, and I have many conversations about what I do, but I couldn't do this without help. And so I really want you to kind of think about that it really takes teamwork to make the dream work. And those people around you, including your teachers, are instrumental to you in being successful long term. My other career life skill that I'd like to help instill in you all is being resilient and staying humble as you go throughout the journey. Things are going to get difficult, and they will, because it's just part of life. Know that you have the strength in yourself to get back up. And I really want you to think about that. And as you go through life, also continue to live life with humility and be humble, because no matter where we go, I am just like you. Academically, I use writing as an everyday skill to potentially pursue grants, help support my colleagues, disseminate my science. So writing is instrumental. A device is just a device, right? It's only as good as the user, and so the ability to critically think of what's coming out of that. So for instance, my FibroScan, not only do I know how to use it, but the ability to interpret what that means is critically important to kind of change the game. How I got here is through hard work and being resilient. I attended Pima Community College, and then I ended up going back east for my degrees in exercise physiology and had the opportunity to come back home. So in my work, I want to be that person that can help support you, your families, and others. My advice to you would be resilient. Listen to your teachers. They have your best interest at heart, and be able to kind of roll with the punches. Also, be there for your family and the support network around you. Thank your parents, and thank your community, and thank your teachers every day for what they do.